the earth holds many secrets. Deep within the arid plains of Peru lies one of its most profound. Here, etched into the very fabric of the desert, are colossal figures. These are the Nazca Lines. They are a silent testament to an ancient people, a people who vanished long ago. Yet their enigmatic messages remain. They stretch across the landscape, unseen from the ground, a vast, mysterious canvas, waiting to be understood. These incredible drawings were largely unknown to the wider world until the 20th century. Commercial aeroplanes began to fly over this remote region. Pilots gazing down were astonished. They saw strange patterns on the desert floor. Lines, geometric shapes, and giant animal figures. These were clearly not natural formations. They were too precise, too deliberate. The mystery of who made them and why began to capture the human imagination, a puzzle etched in dust. The scale of this ancient artwork is truly breathtaking. The lines and figures cover an immense area, nearly 500 square kilometers of arid plateau. There are hundreds of individual designs. Some are simple, straight lines. Others are complex, geometric forms. So what exactly are these Nazca Lines? They are geoglyphs, designs formed on the ground. The Nazca people created them with remarkable simplicity. They removed the dark, rust-colored pebbles from the desert's surface. This exposed the lighter-colored earth beneath. The contrast creates the lines. Like a giant drawing on a dusty canvas, some lines are mere indentations, others are shallow trenches. All are remarkably preserved. These ancient wonders are found in the Nazca Desert. It is a high, arid plateau located between the towns of Nazca and Palpa in southern Peru. This region is one of the driest places on our planet. The lack of rain and wind is crucial. It has helped to preserve these delicate markings for more than 1,000 years. The dry, stable climate acts as a natural guardian, protecting these whispers from the past. The variety of the designs is astounding. There are over 800 straight lines. Some run parallel, others intersect, forming complex patterns. Many of these lines stretch for kilometers, perfectly straight across uneven terrain. There are also over 300 geometric figures: triangles, rectangles, trapezoids, and spirals. And then there are the biomorphs. How did the Nazca people create such enormous and precise figures? The methods were surprisingly simple, yet the results are incredibly sophisticated. They did not possess advanced technology as we know it. Instead, they used basic tools: wooden stakes, lengths of rope, and their keen observational skills. They used these tools to measure distances, to create straight lines and perfect arcs. It was human ingenuity at its finest. The technique itself was straightforward. The desert floor is covered with dark, reddish-brown pebbles. These pebbles are coated with iron oxide. The Nazca people carefully removed these surface stones. They followed predetermined designs. Beneath this dark layer lies a much lighter-colored subsoil. This contrasting color creates the visible lines and shapes. The removed stones were often piled neatly along the edges of the figures, a testament to their methodical work. The precision achieved is truly remarkable. Consider the long, straight lines. Some extend for over 8 kilometers. Section 4. Whispers to the gods. Why so vast? Why these shapes? One of the greatest mysteries is why the Nazca Lines are so large. Many are so vast they can only be truly appreciated from the air. The Nazca people themselves could not have seen them in their entirety from the ground. So, for whom were these giant figures intended? This question lies at the heart of the Nazca enigma. Were they messages for the heavens or pathways for earthbound rituals? The scale suggests an audience beyond the everyday. One prominent theory suggests an astronomical purpose. Many lines appear to align with celestial bodies, the sun, the moon, and certain stars. They might have marked the solstices or equinoxes, or the rising and setting of important constellations. In this view, the Nazca Plateau was a giant astronomical calendar, used to track time and predict seasons, essential knowledge for an agricultural society living in a challenging environment. Another compelling idea points to religious rituals. The lines could have been sacred pathways, walked during ceremonial processions by priests and pilgrims. The animal figures might represent deities or spirits important to the Nazca belief system. Section 5. The desert reveals more new eyes on ancient secrets. The Nazca Desert has not yet yielded all its secrets. Even today, new lines and figures are being discovered. Sometimes they are found by chance, perhaps by a local walker or a passing pilot. Other times, dedicated archaeological surveys reveal them, faint lines hidden by centuries of dust, or smaller figures previously overlooked. Each new discovery adds another layer to our understanding, and often more questions. Modern technology plays a vital role in these new findings. Drones can fly low over the terrain, capturing high-resolution images. Satellites from their vantage point in space provide a broader perspective. They help to map the vast network of lines and to identify potential areas for closer investigation. These tools allow us to see the desert in ways the Nazca never could, unveiling patterns invisible to the naked eye on the ground. Artificial intelligence is now joining the search. AI algorithms can analyze vast quantities of aerial and satellite imagery, far more than any human team could process. These intelligent systems are trained to recognize the subtle patterns. Section 6. A legacy in the sands, the enduring wonder. The Nazca Lines stand as a profound testament to ancient ingenuity. The skill and vision of the Nazca people are truly remarkable. With simple tools, they transformed a barren landscape. They created artworks of immense scale and enduring power. Their understanding of geometry and surveying was clearly advanced. They left behind a legacy that continues to fascinate and inspire, a monument to human creativity. In one of Earth's harshest environments, despite decades of research, the ultimate purpose of the Nazca Lines remains elusive. Many theories exist: astronomical calendars, ritual pathways, clan symbols, water worship. Perhaps they served multiple functions over time. This enduring mystery is part of their allure. They challenge our perceptions of ancient civilizations. They make us question, to wonder, to seek answers. The silence of the desert amplifies their enigmatic call. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1994, the Nazca Lines are precious, yet they are also fragile.